Hi, and welcome back, everyone. Live look from our Dodge Country Skyline weather camera in Killeen, shrouded in fog. Tonight, visibility is down to less than a mile in much of the area. I want to show you what's going to happen over the next 24 hours. So we've been talking about this low pressure system sitting down in the mountains of northern Mexico. Here's the Big Bend area, the Rio Grande. Here's Texas. We're about right in this area, right in here. That low is going to start pushing towards us. The warm air is what's responsible for the fog, and it's also going to start firing off showers and thunderstorms. Squall line very likely by late tomorrow afternoon sweeps on down to the Gulf Coast, and by Wednesday morning we're going to be looking at cool, dry air, and that dry air is going to heat up real nicely. We're talking about readings back up into the 70s for the afternoons on Wednesday and Thursday. Highs today with the fog and the moisture in place in the 50s in most cases, 54 degrees today in Hewitt. Our thanks to Kurt Krakowian for checking in with us today. In Groesbeck, Debbie Fulmer hitting 56 degrees this afternoon. Out of the hospital, glad to have her back. Joe Spivey in Lampasas reporting a high temperature getting up to 60 this afternoon. Right now you're looking at mostly cloudy skies area-wide, fog down on the ground in most cases, 54 in Marlin and in Waco, 54 in Temple and Killeen, 54 in Gatesville and in Hamilton right now. You get the idea. The atmosphere is saturated. Everybody's looking at about the same conditions area-wide. Dense fog advisory in place for us, 100% relative humidity, and the wind is not stirring things up very much. So here's the forecast. Fog for tonight, overcast skies. Look for rain to develop in the late night hours, and by morning we're down to 53. Warming up only to about 57 with rain covering the entire area before the day is over with. Winds will be very light out of the east around 5 miles an hour. Forecast models pointing towards some very generous rainfall totals for us before it's all over with. Through Wednesday morning, we're looking at as much as 3/4 of an inch of rain for Waco, better than half an inch for Temple, over an inch of rain, portions of Limestone and Freestone counties as well. Traveling tomorrow, rain and fog could slow you down to Dallas, Fort Worth. If it slows things down at Dallas-Fort Worth, it's going to slow things down across much of the country. Sunshine in Denver, 56, 49 for a high temperature in Chicago. Los Angeles at 69. And you're looking at widespread rain for us here locally. I'll be ringing the bell for the Salvation Army in the morning. Harker Heights, the Killeen area Walmart, the big superstore. They're from 10 until noon. I hope you'll drop by, say hi. We'll have to get an umbrella out, it looks like. 100% coverage of rain. That doesn't taper off until the evening hours, and then we're still talking about 20% chances of showers for us. Wintertime officially will begin on Thursday morning, and then we put in another shot at some precipitation. Now, that could be an interesting little scenario there. We'll be talking more about that in the days to come, but it looks like right now, for those couple of days as the rain comes down, it will be liquid precipitation. But as that stuff dries up and skies clear out on Saturday, Christmas Eve on Sunday, and Monday, we're talking about some very cold air. And if you're going to be out of town for Christmas, take precautions for a hard freeze, because it does look like we will be well below the freezing mark for several hours on Sunday morning and Monday morning both.
It's nice to have the cold, though, when it's Christmas time.
Not so nice to come home from Christmas and your pipes are broken, though. So take precautions.
Debbie Downer.
Yes.
Wah, 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 wah.
Wah, 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 wah.
Thanks, Andy.